This car has a unique design that reflects marine life in terms of its exterior appearance. Its general shape is stylish and cute, and it is easily recognizable. The body lines are soft and natural, and the round body lines are combined with elegant details, giving the entire vehicle a dynamic and elegant appearance. The L-shaped daytime running lights and U-shaped transitional light strips are among the most important features of its appearance. Apart from being quite bright when they are on, they can easily attract the attention of passers-by at night with their unique shapes and can be easily recognized. The compact and flexible body with body dimensions of 4,280 by 1,770 by 1,570 mm can move comfortably in the city and easily cope with narrow streets or crowded parking lots. In the interior, Dolphin continues to use the bionic design concept. Details such as the steering wheel, external decoration of the air conditioning ducts, and door handles are full of design as if they integrate marine elements into the interior. The cylinder-type buttons located at the bottom of the central control screen are not only easy to use, but also enhance the refined feeling inside the vehicle, turning every operation into a pleasure. The vehicle's interior is wrapped in a variety of soft materials that are comfortable to the touch, paired with fashionable colors to create a warm and comfortable driving atmosphere. Although the Dolphin looks small in terms of space layout, the wheelbase reaches 2,700 mm thanks to the four-wheel and four-corner design layout, and the use of space inside the vehicle is maximized. Since the rear floor has a flat design, rear passengers can enjoy relatively wide and comfortable legroom even when traveling with a full load, and they do not feel too cramped on long journeys. In addition, there are many hidden storage areas in the vehicle that allow passengers to store various small items, which maximizes the vehicle's practicality. While the trunk volume is 345 liters under normal conditions, it can increase to 1310 liters when the rear seats are folded. It can easily meet your transportation needs, whether for daily shopping or long-distance travel. The body lines of the vehicle are round and smooth, with no sharp corners, providing people with a soft and friendly visual experience. The final touch on the entire vehicle is the unique headlight design. The headlight group, consisting of L-shaped daytime running lights and U-shaped transitional light strips, not only resembles the shape, but also resembles the bright eyes of a dolphin when illuminated at night. It is quite recognizable and makes your vehicle stand out from other vehicles. In addition to the newly added seashell pink and chocolate black colors, seashell pink satisfies the romanticism of young girls, while chocolate black offers a cool choice for young people who prefer individuality. When you get in the car, you will be attracted by its comfortable and technological interior. The seats are made of high-quality artificial leather, which gives a soft and delicate feel. The ergonomic design of the seats is perfect, fits well with the human body curve and effectively reduces driving fatigue. You will not feel back pain even if you drive for a long time. The 12.8-inch large central control screen offers a clear image and smooth operation. It is like an intelligent butler that integrates various control functions and entertainment systems of the vehicle. You can easily perform operations such as navigation, multimedia playback, vehicle settings. The intelligent connection system is now even more powerful, supporting 5G networks. Thanks to its voice recognition feature, it allows you to complete various commands such as turn on music and go to company by simply moving your mouth, without any manual operation. The system can respond quickly, making driving easier and more comfortable. In addition, the vehicle also has a wireless charging function for mobile phones. The high power of 50 watts ensures that your mobile phone is always fully charged. For daily commuting and city travel, the power and range of the BYD Dolphin 2025 Intelligent Driving Edition 410 km Fashion Edition can fully meet your needs. It is equipped with a permanent magnet/synchronous motor with a maximum power of 130 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 290 Nm. The official 0 to 50 km per hour acceleration time is only 3.5 seconds. Overtaking and starting on city roads are quite easy, and the power response is fast, so you can fully enjoy driving. As for battery life, it is equipped with a 45.12 kWh lithium iron phosphate blade battery, with a battery energy density of 140.0, providing a range of up to 410 km on pure electricity. Thanks to this battery life, charging once a week will be enough for most office workers. In addition, the vehicle supports fast charging function, and the fast charging time from 30% to 80% takes only 0.42 hours.